guys, good morning. What's up? So, I just thought I will make a vlog today. I'm not doing anything, but I feel like I should vlog it. So I woke up around 7:30, I guess, and then I walked out a little bit, took a shower, had breakfast, and so even though I'm not going outside, as I was talking, I have lots of things to do today. Firstly, I have to drink lots of water, my skincare. I have to study for my exam. Like, exams are coming. I know it's so cliche, but I have to study. And it's too tough to like grab a book after freaking 4 months. But yeah, we have to do that. And read my book like. And यार 2 दिन से बारिश रुक ही नहीं रही है and I don't know, I'm seriously so obsessed with sunsets right now and I haven't seen that from last 2 days and yeah, it's pretty bad. But I hope so आज बारिश ना हो शाम को so I can take you guys with me like to watch a sunset. Let's see how it goes. Hope for the best. Distraction from reading. Let's get back. Oh, now we'll actually do studies. Hi, focus. Well, so it's around 1 o'clock and I had my lunch. It's raining outside and I want sunlight. I want my freaking sky. If I talk about my routine in this lockdown, it's pretty much this. Like, when I am free, I make videos. And it's pretty boring, I know, but I'm super bored. Super bored. But that's pretty much my routine, you know. Like, इससे अच्छा excited क्या कर सकते हैं lockdown में? Yeah, anyways, how is life going? If I give you my life update, seriously, I'm in a good state of mind right now. Life is good. It's my diary. That's the whole thing. I still don't know what's the point of this vlog. Like, I'm randomly talking about shits and I think I'm gonna get the question why I'm talking this slowly and all. Because I think not on my all video I talk like this, but you know what, this is who I am. I'm not always cheerful and all and like that person, like, you know, you have some time. Like, I'm feeling so calm today, I don't know why. Maybe that monsoon and this weather, I don't know, I'm feeling so calm and like happy right now. So yeah, I'm chill. God, this vlog is gonna be boring. Anyways, it's my 1 liter bottle and I actually decide to, you know, like drink at least 3 or 4 bottle of like this. Good skin, you know, like water is important, like drink water, bro. I'm drinking, it's not that hard, but just I have to remind myself every fucking time that, you know, do we drink water? So yeah, kind of half, and it's my first time, so I think by end of the day I will probably drink 3 or 4 of this. Let's see how it goes. Hang on. I still haven't had my tripod. You know what? I will buy tripod for sure. But पता नहीं यार, मुहूर्त ही नहीं आ रहा है tripod लेने का. हाँ, जल्दी आ जाए. Anyway, fun fact, like if you know, I have this bottle with me every time. Like I don't go outside without my bottle. Like never. एंड लाइक वो होता है ना कि क्लास में कोई बच्चा होता है कि लाइक कोई एक बच्चा तो ऐसा होता है कि जिसके पास हमेशा पानी की बॉटल रहती है और पूरा क्लास उसमें से पानी पीता है. Yeah, I'm one of them. One of the reason why I hate this monsoon is, oh god, this weather makes my hair look so frizzy. I mean, look at this. I look homeless. And this is how Jannat looks like. I mean, taste like. Nachos, please sponsor me, yaar. I love it. Wow. It's amazing. I know I told you guys in the morning that I wanted to show you the sunset from my terrace. It's so pretty, you know, but it's cloudy, so no sunset. But yeah, the weather is cool. Like, yeah, it's like, love it. It's kind of cool. I like, you know, sitting like on my terrace. It's beautiful. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I took a nap in the afternoon after, yeah, I took a nap and yeah, और मैंने कुछ नहीं करा. That's how life in lockdown goes. I know you guys gonna hate me after this vlog. Like, what the F is this, Dhruvi? Please don't unsubscribe me after that. It's beautiful, isn't it? Hi. Actually, I forgot to end the vlog. So, bye. I hope you like it. We'll meet in the next video. Bye.